The Ram Temple donation embezzlement case has taken a fresh turn, with the Ghaziabad Bar Association deciding that none of its members will represent the 8 accused arrested in the case. The Bar Association said any lawyer who chooses to defend the accused will have to deposit 5 lakh rupees per accused with the association. It said the amount would be used to pursue the prosecution. The association also demanded that Champat Rai, Anil Mishra and Gopal Rao, who are associated with the temple management but are not named in any FIR, leave Ayodhya within 3 days. It warned of a citywide blockade if they failed to do so. The lawyers also announced plans to seek a CBI investigation into the alleged embezzlement. They said they would first approach the police and, if needed, move the Allahabad High Court and later the Supreme Court. Bar office bearers said the alleged theft of a temple donations had deeply hurt public sentiments and that the decision to boycott the accused was taken unanimously. The 8 accused who were responsible for counting cash and valuables received as temple donations have been remanded to judicial custody till June 29th.